Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of some skincare that I recently got from Good Molecules. So this was sent to me as just like a gift to try out from the lovely Serene, who works for Good Molecules through BeautyLish. So she was so sweet of her to send me some items to try out. So if you're interested to just sit, chill, and see some new skincare in action, then let's get to unboxing and do a little bit of a first impression. Like I said in the beginning, Serene, who is a research associate with Good Molecules, and they sell their products through BeautyLish, which is a online seller that sells a variety of different makeup products and also skincare. So Serene sent me an email and asked if I wanted to try out some skincare from the company, and I haven't tried out anything from Good Molecules, so I was really excited about that email, and thank you so much, Serene, for sending me this really nice goodie box. So I'm so excited. It says hashtag Good Molecules. Super cute. So Serene asked what my concerns were, and I told her it was really acne, dry patches, and dark under eye circles, and just to get my skin like an even texture, even tone. So she catered a box for me, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open and see the goodies. Okay, so when you open up the box, let me show you what it looks like. This is, oh no, some thought. This is the inside of the box, and I really love this print. It is so cute. And we have the box here that is covered up with some paper, and it came with 2 cards. So the first says BeautyLish, and it says, "Hi Chippo, hope you enjoyed these selections I've made to get you started with Good Molecules. Can't wait to hear XX, cheers Serene." So thank you again so much, Serene. I am super excited to try out these items. And the next card here, it says, "See a difference in your skin." Now this is from the co-founder of Good Molecules, and basically it's kind of like a rundown of the company. So a quick read. It says, "Good Molecules, after 10 years in the beauty business, there's a funny thing I noticed about skincare. Regardless how much money you spent buying products, the results I've heard are usually the same. I didn't notice a difference in my skin. The truth is most brands spend more on the jar than they do of the ingredients inside. So Good Molecules, they make products that are filled with ingredients backed by science and at a price that you can feel good about. I'm excited to see a difference in your skin. Tag us when you do. Hashtag Good Molecules. Enjoy, Niles." And a good thing about this company, and at the bottom it also says it's nothing has ever been tested on animals, so this is a cruelty-free company. Love. Okay, so, and a little bit, I went on the Good Molecules website, and that is correct. So their pricing is very affordable, which I do like. The cheapest thing I found was around $6, and the most expensive thing I found was around $15. So for skincare at that price, that is amazing. So I am so stoked about this, so excited. So let's take off the pink paper and let's see what is inside. All right, so inside we get 4 products here, which, oh, I'm already like super excited. Super excited. Okay, all right, so the first thing I'm pulling out of the box, this is called the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and I love the packaging that it comes in. It's very simplistic, but also gives like, it's like, it just makes you smile when you see it. I love that. And let's see, it says it's formulated to replenish the skin's moisture content. All right, so the packaging of this bottle, it's got white, and this is a dropper. So it is a dropper application, which I like droppers, so that's nice. And it is a glass bottle, very weighted, and it says here, so the directions, you want to apply a few drops in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds, and it's suitable for daily use. So again, you can use this in the morning and at night every day, and it is good for up to 12 months. That is awesome. And in here you get 1 fluid ounce. Honestly, this is such a great amount of product. I have already washed and cleansed my face. I went ahead and used the Clean Bee Face Cleanser, which is one of my top favorite cleansers. So let's go ahead and add this serum because I'm really excited to give it a try. Now, as far as scent, thank goodness, there's no scent to this serum. It actually smells like nothing, like absolutely nothing, which I appreciate. As you guys know, I am pregnant and scents and I are not getting along, so I really like the fact that this smells absolutely like nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply just a few drops. Wow. Okay, so first impression, this really soaks into the skin very quickly, very quickly. This absorbed almost instantly. It is gone. Like, there's no leftover residue. It doesn't feel oily or greasy. Like, it's completely into my skin. That is amazing. That is so amazing. And it feels as if I didn't put anything on. Like, literally there's no leftover residue, even on my hands or my fingers, nothing. So for a first impression, first time use of the hyaluronic acid serum, I am very impressed that it soaked in that quickly and that it left my skin feeling very smooth as far as to the touch. And yeah, it's like I can't feel anything on my face, which is nice. So that is a good plus, and I'm definitely liking it, and I love the fact that there is no scent as well. Okay, so next we have, I cannot pronounce this, but I want to say it's Squalane Oil. All right, so this comes in a smaller box, but still very cute, simplistic, and I just love their packaging. All right, so this is a lightweight facial oil that softens, seals in moisture, and regulates skin's natural oils. Okay, so, or oil balance. So again, that was one of my main concerns, was my oils are crazy, and I wanted something that could help control my daily oil, so I'm not like breaking through my foundation as quickly when I do makeup all day. Oh, it's such a cute little bottle. That's so cute. I love it. Okay, so this is 0.44 fluid ounces, but it is also a dropper, so you won't be using so much of it. Oh, that is just a cute little bottle. I love it. Okay, so it is glass and it is a darker bottle. So I'm wondering if you have to keep this out of direct sunlight. Sometimes, and just coming from like a science background, and correct me if I'm wrong, but when you put an item that's like in a darker bottle compared to like a bottle like this, the darkness of the glass is supposed to like keep it safe from direct sunlight. So this is something that I would definitely keep like in my fridge, and just be more cautious with this than this. Okay, so aside from that, let's read the directions. So this says, apply a few drops to skin in the morning and night. Let absorb for 30 seconds. Suitable for daily use and all skin types. So again, you can use this day and night and every day, and this is good for up to 6 months. It is so cute. I love it. Okay, so it is a dropper. So let's go ahead and smell and see if it has a scent. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, this doesn't have a scent either. Plus. I'm so glad, so glad. So this is skincare that I'm definitely already on board with, just because I know it's not going to make me hurl when I use it. All right, so I think it has been 30 seconds from our serum, so let's go ahead and add the oil. And like I said before, the hyaluronic acid serum you want to use before you use any oils or moisturizers. So I'm glad that we added that first. So let's go ahead and add the oil. yeah, like that feels amazing. There's no type of like oily residue on my fingers, so that's good. And I think that my skin it really takes to it. So it's sunk into my skin and it's not just sitting on top. So it's not leaving like that like grease pan type of like shine on my skin. I think it's giving me like a really nice glow actually. But yeah, it's back of my hand test. There's no like oily residue, so that's a plus. I like it. I like the glow. It's very natural, very healthy. That's really nice. So that is a plus. And again, you want to leave this on for 30 seconds. So I really like that these two items are safe enough that you can use them day and night and every day. The next thing in the box is the overnight exfoliating treatment, and it comes in a much larger box, well, large-ish box, and it says that this is formulated with 10% AHA and BHA to resurface and renew. Okay, let's give this an open. So again, we have a dropper applicator, and this is a glass bottle. And as far as the directions say, this says to apply a few drops to clean skin at night. Use up to 3 times per week, no more than that, and may cause irritation if used with retinol or other acids. Okay, so this is only safe for night use. And let's see, you have 12 months of a usage date on this. Okay, and 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so back to me being pregnant. My skin right now is super sensitive, and I think it is because I'm pregnant. I'm just a little bit more sensitive than usual. So what I've noticed is when I use anything that is exfoliating, as far as like face washes, excuse me, face washes, masks, scrubs, anything like that, I start to not break out, but I can see an instant reaction to my skin, which is like so annoying. So I have taken out any type of exfoliating treatments out of my skincare routine just while I'm pregnant, and I think it's really just helped my skin calm back down, not using those products. I still deep cleanse with like a foaming cleanser, but it's not anything that has something that would like exfoliate my skin. So I'm going to pass this along to a friend. I think Delaney would really like to use this, and I will ask her, and if she doesn't want to use it, then I'll put it in a giveaway. But yeah, I'm just staying away from exfoliants. But if you have tried this, please let me know down in the comments below, because I'd love to hear your experiences. And again, if my skin wasn't so sensitive, I would be more than happy to try this, but I just want to be on the safe side and not put it on my skin. But again, thank you, Serene, for sending me this, because I'm sure this would have helped me tremendously. Okay, and the last item that is in the box, this is a silicone-free primer moisturizer. That's awesome. Okay, so this is formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. I love moisturizers, so this is cool. I love the box. Let's give it an open. Okay, so here is the product. So it comes in a tall, and I think it's, yep, it is a pump, so that is awesome. I love pumps as well, and I hope it's a pump that like pushes up the product, so I feel like I'm using every single drop. So we'll have to see that as we move along. But let's see, the directions here say, gently massage onto cleansed skin. When using sunscreen, let primer, moisturizer fully absorb before applying. Suitable for daily use. Good, so you can use morning and night and every day, and this lasts up to 12 months. That's awesome, and I love that it is silicone-free and plant-derived, so that's great. So I think that our oil has sat for 30 seconds. We're all good and all glowy. All right, so let's go ahead and give the primer a try. So I did about 1.5 pumps. Yeah. Okay, so first impression, first time use, it feels very soft. It has a scent of if you've tried Vaseline, and if you've smelled Vaseline, cut that in half. It is very, very faint, but it reminds me of Vaseline, and I really don't mind because I use Vaseline every day, and the scent of that doesn't bother me. But as far as this as a primer and moisturizer, I think it's good. It's good. It's not slippery, it's not sliding. I feel like it's actually sinking into my skin, and again, it's adding to that glow without adding oil to my skin, which I like. I like the fact that it's a pump and no scents. So I've done a nice skincare routine and scent free. That is a plus. That is something I am very appreciative, and I can see myself using these products every day. So as far as daily use, I would definitely go for these three, for the hyaluronic acid, and then the Squalane Oil, and the primer moisturizer. So yeah, I am really happy with these items, and if you guys want a later on review, let me know, but I'm definitely adding these into my daily routine, and you guys can let me know if you see a difference in my skin as we progress. But yeah, this is so nice. So thank you again, Serene, for sending these items. I really do appreciate it, and definitely something that my skin is looking for, and I already feel hydrated and refreshed. My skin feels very like fresh out of the shower type of feeling, like very moisturized. So that's great. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for staying tuned and just spending a skincare moment with me. I do appreciate it. And if you're coming back, I do appreciate all your love and support. This has been a fun, just chill skincare chit chat, try something new type of video. Yeah, so I really had fun. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.